Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Anti-Dash from Stumble Guys. What an awesome character. And hey, thanks Nicodem for your suggestion. Because he's not a real tricky character, I'm going to start with a 0.5 multiliner. You might like to use a pencil. And I'm going to start with his head shape. It's a sort of a shape like so for his head. Bring that back around. Sort of got a flat top on there. Now he's got all these details, stripes, but I'm going to put them on at the end. So I'm just going to put his eye on. So one eye coming around like this, a U shape with an angle like that. Then we've got his eye in here. Put his other eye over here. Now we've got the other eye and coming around like so. So try and keep them similar sort of size. Now it's a double line, so I'm just going to go around that like this. And then I'm going to go around that one. Try and keep it the same distance apart, that line. There we are, there's his head. Now I'm going to put his neck on. Now he's got one arm that comes out and around and back up like so. And then this is the side of his body. He's quite a large sort of character. Bring that one around, that's more like a straight leg. And his other leg comes around. And this is sort of like the side of his leg. He's quite blocky looking, so that comes around and then back up into his armpit. So there's like his knee. And this sort of gets darker all the way around there, so I'm just going to bring that around. Now his arm's in behind here, and it comes down to the same sort of level, so we're going to bring this around, there's no gap, and around, and then back up into there, into his neck. Now he's got all these, this is probably the hardest part, is drawing all his little blocks. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Start with one over here. So we've got like a diamond, which is a square. Now all these three angles draw down on the same angle. So there, there, and there. Now this line here has to be parallel with that line. Parallel means if that continued forever, they would never meet. And then this angle is the same as that front edge, so we've got to bring that through there. And there's our first block. Let's draw another block up here. So this time it's another shape like that. You don't see much of this other side, so it's just the top and a bit of a line like that for the side. Because we're looking straight at that, you don't see much of the side. Same with this one, we're not going to see much of this side of this one. And then we're going to bring that straight down like so. Let's do another one similar to that, just here behind his head. So I'm going to start with this shape here. And then it's going to come in, and in. And then like so. Then we're going to have another one here. So let's bring, that's in behind this one. So bring that down like this. We're going to finish this off with 1, 2, then pretend that comes down, 3. So that one, it would be in behind there, and then this one has to be parallel to there. So we're going to bring that across. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we might put another couple out here. Now come straight down with these lines. And now this has to be finished the same as that. And then this line has to be the same as that one there. Let's put another block in behind here. So I'm going to bring the line up, across, like this. Now down, down, and then match that. So we're going to bring that one slightly in behind. It's almost like a book. That matches that edge, and that edge has to be the same as that edge. We've got SG on the front, so it looks like an SG, but it's a bit of a weird one. I'm going to get a 0.3 and I'm going to draw that on. So let's start with a diamond shape. 1, a rounded diamond shape like so. And I'm going to go around that. Try and keep that the same thickness as well. And then this S sort of comes around like this. S for us, I'm assuming it's Stumble Guys. There's an S. Now this, I'm not sure, it looks a bit like a C, but it's shaped like this. We have a line that comes down, back up, like that. And then like this. So whether that's a G or not, I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like. Then we have all these other patterns, but I'm going to put them on with the gel pen later on. I'm going to go around anti-dash with a 1.0 just to make him stand out. And I'm just going to speed that up.